Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today I'm going to give you my 6-month review on the very popular Ontario Rat 2 folding knife. If you'd like to watch my original video where I share my initial thoughts and the specifications, do check out the video in the link in the card above or the description below. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so and support the channel. Thank you very much. So this knife is very popular. I got it because there's a lot of buzz about it. I do like the size as well. I like that thin profile, and I think for my criteria for an urban EDC is that it's more easy to carry, and I generally favor a 3-inch blade or so. So this fit the bill. It was relatively inexpensive. I believe it's about 50 or just over 50 US dollars. So I got it. And when I first got it, I felt, yes, size feels good, everything feels good. When I deployed it or tried to deploy it, I always had a bit of trouble. I'm not sure why, but I do have that trouble sometimes with thumb studs. And it could be just the physiology or how different people's hands are. You know, I need to always remember how to open this knife, right? I know I have to go up at a certain angle in order to flick it to open it. So it's not intuitive for me. I know I can't just, go out this way. I have to go out, if we were to look at in this direction in terms of a clock down, more towards a 10 to 11 o'clock. And even so, you see, it's not firing out all the time. So as a result, I found that it wasn't so intuitive to open the knife for me. And therefore, it was not a joy to kind of carry and use. Now, in terms of putting it in the pocket and carrying it, no problem whatsoever. In terms of the performance as well, also, no problem at all. But just trying to get it open and not getting it the first time or just having that trouble, it also tends to kind of roll in my hands if I have to flick it out. I don't know, it just doesn't sit as well to me. And I've said this before, you need to have a connection with the knife you carry. You need to be one of the knife. You need to feel that you enjoy carrying it, enjoy opening it, and enjoy using it. If not, what's the point? Why would you EDC it? Now, it's definitely a good utility knife for indoors or outdoors. This is a D2 blade steel. Previously, they did have I believe, an AUS 8 or AUS 10 steel. And if I had a choice, probably now, I might get that what may be considered a lower end budget steel, simply because D2 is a tool steel, very hard to sharpen unless you're a really experienced sharpener, and also it can rust in this tropical climate. So maybe I wouldn't mind taking a steel that's may not have the same edge retention but be easier to touch up and sharpen up. So I have used this around the house. I have not brought it out much simply because, as I said, I don't like to EDC it, but I have used it as a knife around the house. Again, no problem with ergos, the size, everything. In fact, it's got quite a distinct look as well to it, just the way the blade shape is in relation to the handle. So if that appeals to you aesthetically, I think you like this knife. And if you can deploy it easily and comfortably, you see, I just missed again, just missed again. I'm just useless here, but then this knife might be for you. But for me personally, it just doesn't work for whatever reason. But let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you have this knife, and do you have any problem firing it open as I do? Or am I the only one on earth? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. As always, keep it folded, keep it safe.